Today is an exciting day. There is a light, even a rebirth and rejuvenation pouring across this entire campus.
Today we gather with hearts full of optimism and confidence as we formally welcome President C. Shane Reese, who will guide Brigham Young University into another spiritually enlightened era of progress towards meeting its prophetic destiny.
In the few months since you became president, we have learned about the spiritually strengthening, intellectually enlarging, and character-building education that inspires us to enter to learn, go forth to serve. We love you and pray for you.
President Reese demonstrates an ability to rise above and, more importantly, to help others soar to the highest measures of their potential. My freshman son was inspired after his first morning workout on campus after seeing President Reese getting after it in the gym.
President Reese, like Esther of old, you have been raised up for such a time as this. You have prepared yourself academically, spiritually, and personally.
In the coming months and years, all of us in the BYU community will see President Reese filled with the light, strength, and authority that will be required to lead this university into the second half of its second century.
I love BYU and its mission. I love our students. They warm the world with their faith and brighten it with their light. I love my consecrated colleagues, faculty and staff alike, who labor tirelessly to make our inspired mission a reality for our students.
I hereby install you, Christopher Shane Reese, as President of Brigham Young University this 19th day of September, 2023.